So what do you got to do in that process? What's that look like as far as, hey, how do I stain my fence? And, what are some tips?
Are you a DIYer looking to sharpen your skills? Looking for solutions for home improvement issues? Getting advice when needing to hire a contractor? And staying up to date on the latest the industry has to offer on news and trends? You are in the right place. Welcome to Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz.
Well, let's get it clean. Let's just go out, if you don't have a pressure washer, rent a pressure washer, or pay somebody. Put a little chemical cleaner on there. Plop it in the bucket. Usually use like a deck cleaner or some sort of cleaning agent. You can run through the pressure washer. Take a look at your pressure washer you rent, or talk to the company you rent it from. They'll give you a chemical that you could they won't give you. They'll sell you a chemical or some sort of cleaner. And usually most cleaners are biodegradable. They won't harm plants. They'll give you some instructions. Read your instructions. Keep it simple. So get it clean. Secondly, you're gonna have to stain it or put some sort of preservative on it. We're talking basically cedar fences, because most wood fences are cedar. One coat of stain, semi-transparent to transparent, semi-transparent, or semi-solid. Really gets back to the kind of how much you want that natural wood look through. If you want more of that natural cedar look, you're going to go with a transparent. If you want it where it's got a little more body to it and gives you a little more color, you're going to probably go semi-solid, and semi-transparent will kind of fall right in the middle between the two of those. Thank you again for joining me. I'm Mark here at Discover Your Home. And thank you. Have yourself a great weekend.
Thanks so much for listening to this episode of Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz. Online at lotzremodeling.com. That's Lotz, Lotz, remodeling.com. And on Twitter and Facebook at Lotz Remodeling. We'll catch you next time.